Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're trying to improve your speaking skill, then this video is for you. Today I will be sharing 5 super effective tips to help you practice speaking at home. So let's get started. Okay, before I continue, you have to know why speaking practice is important. So many people focus on grammar and vocabulary, but forget that speaking is a skill. It means the only way to get better is by practicing. The more you speak, the more natural and confident you will sound. No matter what's your level. The key is to practice consistently and smartly. So, what's the first tip you have to know? The first tip is read out loud. Grab a book, a blog, or even subtitles from your favorite shows. Try to read them out loud. This helps your mouth gets used to forming words, and you will improve your pronunciation and rhythm over time. Let's move on our second tip, that is record yourself. This might be awkward at first, but this is the best way to improve your speaking. You have to speak at least 5 to 10 minutes. After that, listen your voice and notice your pronunciation, pauses or filling words. Work on improving just one small thing at once. Let's move on our third tip. The third tip is shadow native speaker. Watch a short video or podcast in your target language and repeat exactly what the speaker says in real time. Match their tone, intonation, and speed, just like you are singing. Let's move on our fourth tip, that is practice with people. It is one of the best ways to track progress. Find a partner, join a speaking club, or use apps. If you need any app suggestion, I already made a full video about this topic. You can go and check it out after this video. You have to practice at least 5 to 10 minutes every single day. It can help you massively. And the last tip is think in the language. Instead of translating in your head, try thinking directly in the language. Describe what you are doing. It rewires your brain for fluency. Before I wrap up this video, there are 3 things you have to avoid when learning English. The first one, don't wait until you are ready to speak. Just start. Second, don't compare yourself to others. Your journey is yours alone. Third, don't be afraid of making mistakes. They are part of the process. Speaking is like muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So be patient, keep showing up and speak out loud every single day. Trust me, you will see progress. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.